cool. I just had to come back. Yeah. I like it. That's it. Guy's still alive. Oh, I seen that one over there. Sell them.
Thanks.
Did you grab a couple?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Thanks for watching my channel.
Yeah, you do a great job.
I appreciate it, man. Maybe I was your good luck charm.
Yeah, right?
Thanks, Eric.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah, you too. Oh, yeah. So, old Chevy hubcap. You want me to go around you, or can I come through? Good? Yeah. You watch my videos or what?
I subscribed to you like a couple weeks ago.
Oh, you get a free lure, man. Go ahead. Take any lure you want out of there. What's your name? Ray. Ray?
Ray Jose.
Oh, cool. Nice to meet you, man. What do you like seeing most about my videos? Like just all the lures I get, or?
Yeah, all the lures. That's crazy.
Well, thank you, man. Nice to meet you. Thanks for letting me pass.
Yeah, thank you.
He was hanging around right by this lure. Maybe if you start casting it, you might hit it.
Thank you.
Hey guys, hop on in. Good day for a dive. You guys can help me pick up some of this trash here. Did you lose some? Oh, you want me to unsnag you? I'll be right there. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. That's your snare gun. Here's a nice blade bait for you. I'll throw it over to you.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Thanks for the donations. Check this out. Got a bunch of these old cans, old bottles. That's pretty neat. Old Chevy hubcap over here. Old pot. Look at all those lures. Bunch of just random lures again. Good dive. Time to get to work at home.